Once again, very good morning and thanks for joining. Okay. Uh, Myself is Subbu. I'm the taking hold this training program. Okay, as part of SQL Server with Azure. So both technologies we are going to cover, and so I'm having almost 9+ years of experience in both platforms in terms of on-prem, in terms of cloud. And coming to training program, I'm also having the same relevant experience. Okay, I just started my journey. Once I got placed, I just started my journey in the training program, but I haven't uh, went to the YouTube or social media at that time for longer period. I just doing all my training program uh, between our surroundings only. Later on, I got one of my brother Sai, and we both designed this program into the YouTube, and we went to the bigger like a social media. Uh, we successfully completed 44 batches. Okay, every batch may take almost 2.5 months to 3 months. Earlier, like 2 years ago, we used to complete the batch for 2 months. 2 months mostly. Then the content has been increased, and that means the concepts has been increased because everyone is expecting more on the cloud performance tuning. So we added much more stuff to the. We keep on adding to the stuff to the content. Now even the 3 months is also not sufficient for us. Like uh, 3 months is also not sufficient. It is tight for us. So for that, what we taken the session from all the batches, the students, okay, who is having good experience. We done some pre-recording sessions in the L1. We'll share all that details, okay. But uh, make the sessions only one request from everyone. We are expecting, okay. Make the session so interactive rather than one man show. We don't want one man show, okay. This is our training. We are going to share the knowledge. We are learning and we are sharing the knowledge across the team, okay. So definitely that is only one thing we are expecting. Please be the active participation, and please be the active interaction. That is only two things uh, we are expecting from you people. That's it. I don't want spend more time. Okay, just hand out to my brother as well, Sai.
Yeah, thanks, Subbu. Yep, yeah, thanks everyone joining the session. Okay, so part of today we will be address your questions and whatever you have in your mind and what you are expecting from us. Okay, and we are here to help you to become strong in this Microsoft SQL Server database administration. Okay, so as most of the people already discussed with me before joining the session, you know that how we are suggested like to become strong in that technology, whether you are working or whether you are fresher. So there is no dependency to start this technology. Okay, so anyone can learn. Okay, so only the thing while I discussed whenever the first time we are having a conversation in the call. Okay, so try to follow the suggestions so that whatever discussed whenever you are working, okay, and you are trying to switch the job or something new request comes to you, you cannot say as we are working we cannot work on we may not get chance to work on all the concepts, like we may not have always on a replication uh, or some of the log shipping, mirroring, any performance tuning. Okay, but whenever you are going to attend the interview, definitely they will expect everything. We cannot say, hey, I don't have always on in my environment, I don't have experience. No, that's not the truth. So to be frankly, we are DBS means, so that is we should be aware of all the concepts in this technology. So to become strong in the technology, so whatever the concept that we have, everything we can reproduce in our personal laptops. We can do the practice. and we can generate a couple of scenarios to become more insight and more hands-on experience on the concept. Okay, so for freshers also, whenever you're starting from this for the first time, so just we concentrate from the scratch, whatever the concept that we are discussing. Okay, we will provide the notes, material, and the scripts and everything. Okay, even though we recommend, we suggest, we request everyone to put your own efforts, what you understood from the concept. Okay, for both freshers and experience. Okay, so what you understood from the concept, whatever the scenarios that we discussed, and the interview questions also will be covered in the session. Okay, not every interview question, but at least base level. Okay, and you need to do some homework to get more confidence and to get strong in this subject. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and you are not alone. Once your batch is completed, like okay, chalo, tata bye bye. No, it's not like that. So we are already having the discussion groups and a community group. Okay, so that's it. It is a community. You will be keep in touch with us. Okay, so if you ping me after 2 years, 3 years, hey, who are you? I cannot say like that. Definitely something about you. Definitely I can remember. Okay, and you will be part of the discussion group, and you will be part of the community as well. Whereas the discussion group, so we'll show you in some time in the session. Okay, more than 190 plus members are there. Those people are freshers and working people. They are working in different organizations. Okay, so we made the discussion group to help mutually. Okay, so you no need to depend that Sai has to come and address my question, or Subbu has to come and address my question. So, for example, you are in a night shift, or you are in different shift, so you stuck somewhere, or you are learning something, but you have some question. You can post over the group. Okay, so you will do your research, but still you need help. You can post over the group. Okay, so definitely someone will address your question. And the same way, if you know someone is posted something, they are facing issue, okay, they need some help, if you know that, you can also reply to them. Okay, and still if you are not getting the resolution for your ship any time, okay, you can call either me or Subbu. Okay, we will be available when you are in a critical situation. Okay, that issue going to be escalated, something going to be bigger issue. Okay, so if you feel you are doing some your research and everything, but still you need help, anytime you can ping us. Okay, and the community group, once your batch is completed, you will be we will move all of you into the community group. So old batch people also there. So whenever we feel okay, we need to discuss something new in the technology introduced, okay, we need to discuss with our people, let's share the meeting invite to our people. Okay, so it will be continuous learning. Okay, so once your batch is completed also, we might post the new things, and you can learn the you can grab the new features from our from us. Okay, so over to you, Subbu. You can add on.
Yeah, thanks, Sai.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, that's it. From our side, okay, always this is a never-ending batches. Okay, we are not saying that your batch will go in and for officially it will end for 2 months, 2.5 months. Okay, but our batches are never ending. What I wanted to convey is, for example, if I'm learning something new, okay, if I got something new on my mind, okay, which I not yet try new people, then I will call you anytime. Even your batch is get completed, because we are the part of AzureSQLChamp community. Okay, you will be part of the community, and we will post the link. Okay, for example, you are busy that time and you are not able to attend, so you will get the recordings as well. You can go and watch. Okay, so that is how we are promising you. Our batches are never ending batches, so it is a continuous learning batches. Okay, like after your batch got officially got completed also, you will keep on learning the new things. If we are getting any new issue, or we are addressing something which haven't discussed, okay, then definitely you will be part of that session. And one more is, firstly, welcome to AzureSQLChamp community. Okay, for example, you are working and you are having some issue, and one of the very critical issue, you are not getting the right person or right help, and that leading big escalation on you. Don't hesitate to call us, okay, at any time. If it is that is leading very big escalation, uh, and it is impacting your job, okay, it may sorry, it may impact your job. Don't hesitate to call us directly at any time. Even your batch got completed, okay, we are here to help you. We don't want make that much stress. Okay, if it is a general issue, you are having enough time to resolve, okay, then you can post in the discussion group. You can post in the our discussion group. So that is a help, that is a promise we are doing, okay, from us as a database administrator. We need to because we don't know what will happen suddenly. If suddenly something went wrong, or maybe you done some mistake or someone done mistake and you are in the shift, and no one is here to help you. Okay, no one is here to help you. Sorry, come on here, one second. I want to present some slide. Okay, yeah. So always it's a 20, 24/7 WhatsApp group. So Azure SQL Jump discussion. Only act means the people only genuinely uh, not misbehaving people only will be out of this discussion group. Okay, but of course, uh, when you are sharing some content in this discussion group, for example, you got some error message. In that error message, there is your organization name or your email address or the server name, server IP address. Please, okay, please be careful when you are posting, because always we need to be so safe. We are protecting this group, but of course always be safe side if you are posting some screenshot in this discussion group. Okay, in case you not get any response from this discussion group, and you got still stuck and you wanted to really help, don't hesitate to reach out to Sai. Don't hesitate to reach out to Subbu. Okay, and one more thing, I just said we are addressing both. In case if that is leading any escalations and it is very critical issue, it is a production server, it went down and you are not getting any help and it is leading any escalation on you, don't hesitate to call me. Call to Sai. We are here to help at any time. It's like 24/7. We are here to help you. Only at the critical situation, calls are acceptable. Okay. We are promising you that, because we don't want to make you so stressed. Okay. Even you are be part of the Azure SQL Champ or you are not be part of Azure SQL Champ, we are here to help you. To everyone, the people who will watch. Okay. We are happily to help everyone. We don't want make that much stress in our current working environments. That is a promise we are doing. And once your batch got completed, you will move into the community group, WhatsApp group. Whatever the learnings we are going to do in the future, okay, you will be part of that trainings as well. And we are here first, as part of today, our main focus will be SQL, okay, and Azure. So as part of this training, in case if you wanted to extend your technologies, nowadays market is looking for other DBMS technologies as well, like RDBMS, DBMS technology. We are happy to make you become strong in Postgres. We are happy to make strong in even MongoDB as well. So we are planning to bring the MongoDB from next month. Sai is who is going to take care about your Postgres and MongoDB. Okay, so both he's going to take care in the future, and I will be taking care about completely SQL with Azure. And we are also trying to bring the ADF into the picture. So we will plan the Azure data engineer as well in the upcoming. Mostly in this year we will plan, not now immediately at the ending. Once the Postgres has been stabilized, MongoDB has been stabilized, okay, then we will plan for Azure data engineer as well. So you no need to go anywhere and research something. Who is the where I can find? Okay, we are here. We are making the centralized DBMS technologies in terms of SQL, Postgres, and of course NoSQL. Also, we wanted to bring the NoSQL. MongoDB is a NoSQL. We are planning to bring the MongoDBs as well as part of our AzureSQLChamp trainings. That's it. I don't want take more time. Over to everyone. Whatever questions you are having today is general discussion. Nothing much technical. I don't want keep first day on technical. Whatever the questions you are having, whatever the doubts you are having, okay, feel free to clarify all your doubts. We are here to help you. Over to everyone.
Hi Subbu. Hi Sai.
Hey,
This is Sharad here.
hi sir.
Hi, Sharad.
Yeah. Thank you for organizing this batch. I'm waiting from long time since I think you're aware that on batch 44 also I have attended.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. So just want to clarify. Can you please give some brief about the course content? What exactly we are doing in SQL DB and Azure platforms? What are the syllabus or course we will cover or topics we will cover here?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. This is our YouTube channel. Mostly everyone aware of this one because you went to the YouTube and you search, you like our videos and you reach out to us. Okay, we are happy. So almost this is our 45th batch, which we are going to start. We almost successfully completed 44 batches. Okay, every batch. We done almost 100 plus sessions, some batches more than 100 120 sessions as well. Okay, but because sometimes the timing will be different, we will take 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay, rare case only will go for more than 2.5 hours, like when we are going to configure always on, or we are trying to configure the networks. That time usually we will take a lot of time, right, to build the load balancers, to build the networks, massive networks in the Azure. We may take a little longer time, right? So that time the sessions will go more than 2.5 hours, 3 hours as well. So always you are learning, okay? Just we are asking your time. We are not asking much. We are asking your time, and you need to be so concentrated on the sessions. So mostly last 5 batches we almost successful, all our live sessions only. So we almost cover 120 plus sessions only, and for 44 batch also still some sessions are pending. We will cover in this week, okay, in the coming week, and we will complete everything, and we will mainly focus on the 45th batch. Mainly focus on the 45th batch. Like same, we covered the Postgres for 35 sessions as we promised for 1 month, but we cover more than 30 sessions only. And maybe going forward, we will also cover the Postgres more than 45 sessions because we are adding AWS RDS and AWS Aurora, Amazon Aurora, and Amazon RDS. So we are trying to bring the AWS into the market, into the Azure SQLChamp community. So you may get Postgres also little additional sessions, like a 45 sessions where we'll talk on Postgres as well in the going forward. And of course, MongoDB. MongoDB will go for new batch. We are going to start from July. That's the reason there is no playlist. We are also planning initially for 30 to 35 sessions, and going forward that will make to 40 to 45 sessions because we are centralizing all the stuff. we may need some help from you because you've been trusted us. We may need some because it's not easy to prepare the documents, to prepare the content, to prepare the PPT slides, everything to make you so comfortable while we are training you people. So that we are centralizing. It may take little time. So, but we promising you whatever we are promising, we will get delivered. But it may take little time in terms of Postgres, in terms of MongoDB, but SQL, yeah, you will get. And not only this one, we are having the lab features, means some of the features which we are not covering in the live sessions, we'll upload here from the next week onwards. Maybe here also we will add 15 more sessions, and there is L1 session is there, L1 playlist. Okay, already 13 sessions has been done here. We will add 17 more sessions. So we'll make here 30, we will make here 15. So almost 45 sessions you will get the recorded sessions, because it's very hard to complete everything in the live sessions. So whatever the concept you can go for recording, that is very good. That's we are doing. Whatever you need to discuss on the live sessions, we are discussing everything in the live only. Live. Okay. So you need to, we will let us know when you need to go and watch the L1 sessions, when you need to go and watch the lab feature sessions. And also we are having the deployments. So how to deploy the VMs, how to spin the VMs, okay, and how to spin the Windows, or how to spin the Linux box, and how to install Postgres on the Linux, how to install SQL on the Linux Windows VM. So we done the pre-recording this as well. Of course, we will talk many things, but this also be part of your training only. Every batch, whoever joining, whenever we start the new batch, these 3 playlists are the major things apart from your playlist. Okay, don't get confused why there is 2 playlists for 44 batches. Okay, 44 batch means YouTube having some issue with the granting the permission. So we are having, there is a count limitation. So we exceeded that count. So that's the reason we created a new playlist, and we also granted half of the people on that playlist and all the peoples in the one playlist. That's the reason you will see. And this is about our channel, and you can reach out to any one of this number. We are happy to assist you. Going to the content, what we are going to share. Okay, we can't make everything under single slide, but what we are going to discuss is complete what you are expecting, what industry is expecting from you as a DBA in terms of base level, like installations, architectures, okay, core components, backups, restores, recovery models, in terms of high availability like log shipping, DB mirroring, replication, clustering, performance tuning, in terms of performance tuning like a CPU, memory, IO, wait type, indexes, statistics, blocking, deadlocks. And when you go for cloud also, Azure SQL database, spinning the VMs in cloud, migrations, upgradations, on-prem to cloud migrations, okay, patches, everything we are going to cover as part of this training. So means you will get the complete content, what your industry is expecting from you, where the currently industry is standing, and where we need to also stand. That's what we are training. Meanwhile, you are facing some issue and you are asking that question set, we will also address those. Mainly our main focus is learning part and practical part, theoretical, practical. This from this batch, we are making the redesign of the SQL as well. We are going to concentrate more on the practical, more on the practical. So you may expect more things to see in the live demos only. That is a one good thing I can say, rather than more theoretical. We will bring more on the practical. Each and every concepts will go on little practical, so that you will easily recognize. Okay, remember. Okay, this is what we can do. This is what we need to remember. That is the one thing we are training for next 60 to 70 days or 75 days. The sessions will be from Monday to Saturday. Okay, and the bridge will open at 7:30, and we'll wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll start the session. 99.9%. Every day the sessions will be available. Sometimes if I'm busy, I not posted the meeting invite. Every day you will get the new meeting invite. I forget to post the meeting invite also. Please be wait. Definitely the session will be there. Rare case only, I may cancel the sessions. So we are asking only time, sir, your time and your participation. So how much time you are giving to us, and how you are interacting to us. That is the only one thing. Don't make like a one man. So I'm just speaking and you are just sitting idle. Okay, clarify all your doubts. We are here to help you. So we will discuss 30 days. We will completely sit on the on-prem. 30 to 45 days. Okay, next to 45 days we'll sit on the cloud. 30 days we'll sit on-prem. 45 days we'll sit on cloud. Okay, more on cloud. Okay, so don't worry. We are not getting cloud. Initially, 30 days will sit on the on-prem, right? Don't think so. Why Subbu is not discussing anything cloud? So we'll discuss 45 days on cloud only. 30 days only we'll spend on the on-prem. So means completely on our laptops. So next we'll go completely on the cloud. Like 45 days we'll spend on the cloud. In and out you will get about migrations, always on. Especially we'll discuss more on the always on availability group, like almost 2.5 weeks we'll spend on always on availability group, like in terms of patches, in terms of Azure, like a single subnet, multi subnet, load balancers. Okay, why we need load balancers, DAZ, distributor always on availability group, and how to configure DAZ. What are the things you will face issue in the DAZ? How to do the failovers? We'll spend more time on the DAZ, distributed always and availability group as well. Not only traditional always and availability group. And cloud migrations. We'll spend more time on cloud on migrations, as well as the regular content, whatever we need to learn on Azure, we will learn. Apart from this, we are also going to learn how to spin the VMs in cloud, how to spin the networks in cloud, and how the storage account is working. Okay, this is also how Active Directory Entra ID. Earlier we used to call it as a cloud Active Directory, but now Microsoft redesigned it as a Entra ID. So we will learn how to configure Entra ID and how to configure multi-factor authentication while we are connecting to the SSMS. We are going to discuss Entra ID, means Active Directory in cloud, in on-prem Active Directory, Azure storage account, Azure networks, Azure VMs, as well as Azure SQL database. And in addition, I told you, right? So you will get 30 to 35 sessions pre-recording. You need to watch that sessions also. Yeah. Anything? Any questions?
Is there a performance tuning part? Means morely that we are getting issues related to the server is slow or server is down or application is responding very slow. So, is there something that performance tuning is part of our course?
Oh, definitely, sir. Definitely. Without performance training, we can't say that your batch got completed. Okay. So we are
So,
going to almost spend 2 weeks on
so one
performance
thing.
training.
So actually, I think you might you can go through the PDF as well. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah. So we will start with the L1 only. Means to install as a DBA, we need to install the SQL servers and what are the base components. We'll talk all the stuff. Okay, like installing, configuring, backups, restores, like a securities, a database configuration. Securities is the placing a vital role. Again, initially when we are talking 30 days, right? Whatever we are talking 30 days, again you will get in the advanced level also, because when we go for security, first in the 30 days we'll talk only 2 to 3 days about security, base level of security, but that is very important, of course. Later on, when we are countering always on availability group, we'll talk more on always on availability group, like a TDE, always encrypted SSL certificate, TLS, SPNs, all the stuff, NTLM authentication, Kerberos authentications. Much more we'll discuss about security in the cloud, in the on-prem, both. Okay, in the cloud also we'll go into the security, how you will get a chance to enable, if you get a chance to enable TD in cloud. If you go for Azure Key Vault, okay, how to integrate the Azure Key Vault as part of the TD, all the stuff we are going to talk. We can't mention everything in the presentations, but much more we'll talk. Okay, DB emails we'll discuss, and each and every high availability, like log shipping concept, working, how it will work, and configuration, failover, failback, troubleshooting. Yes.
Yes, I just wanted to ask if we are going to do on-prem migration or just cloud.
No, first we'll talk on-prem migration, then on-prem to cloud migration.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 days we'll spend on on-prem to on-prem migration. 3 days we'll spend on on-prem to cloud migration. Total 5 days we'll spend on migration.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Raj. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, all.
Yeah.
My question is that, like, you said on premises and cloud.
Yeah.
In cloud, we'll get IaaS and PaaS both, or what?
Both you will get it, IaaS and PaaS. In the IaaS, we are going to discuss how to spin the VMs, how to deploy the networks, how to deploy the storage, and how Entra ID is working. In the PaaS, we will get Azure SQL database.
Okay. And one more thing, we get any material, study material?
Oh, everything, sir, you will get it.
Okay.
Yeah. A runtime notes, you will get it. And you will get the material. Again, always follow the runtime notes, okay? That's I can encourage. Runtime is the best.
Okay.
Because if you shade the content, okay, that's massive. It's very difficult nowadays, okay? The runtime I can suggest.
Okay. And this, they both will take 45 days, PaaS and IaaS, as you said.
Oh, advance means advance. Everything will go for advance, okay? Like almost 70 to 75 days will spend.
In cloud.
Yeah, 45 days will cloud, 30 days will on-prem.
Okay. So we will get that advanced level in PaaS also, right?
Oh yeah, yes sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes. And each and every high available. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So you mentioned about the on-premises you are covering in 30 days, right? The 30 days is enough to cover all the topics in on-premises.
See. Again. What do you mean by cover means? Base concepts only we are discussing in on-prem, like in terms of installation, in terms of backups, restores, recovery models, base level securities, base level indexes. These are all common.
What about always on configuration in on-prem? We have covering that also, or we are only covering in the cloud?
No, we will cover both on-prem on always on and cloud always on.
Okay.
Yeah. On-prem always on, cloud always on. That's what. See, always on itself, we are spending almost 2 weeks. Okay, you will get the cloud always on. You will get the on-prem always on.
Okay, fine.
More on cloud. We'll discuss more. I will show you how always on you will configure in cloud on-prem. Sorry, and rest everything will go for cloud only, because industry is looking for cloud. We need to spend more on cloud. Of course, again, don't get confused, everyone. On-prem, cloud, both are same. Both are identical only. Okay, only the data center is different. Okay, on-prem means you are having your own data center. You are going to build everything on your own data center. Cloud is nothing but someone data center. You are hosting your services, your servers, all this stuff. Getting my point, everyone? So on-prem also, whatever on-prem I need to search, I will search on-prem. Whatever the cloud we need to search, we will search on the cloud as well. Both we will search. Okay. Time, being you ask a time, right? Definitely, you need to allow little more time. So for example, one day we complete a little early. Okay. Okay, I will give some time to you. Okay. Take rest. One day I need little more time because that concept is little lengthy. I will ask, can you spend 15 more minutes? Okay. If you're happy, then we are happy, sir. That's what we are expecting. I hope you understand. Based on our concept, what we are going to discuss on that day. Okay, because we will go in a hierarchical pattern. So we won't discuss anything high level in the starting phase, because we want to deliver first 30 days the base concepts, okay, which you wanted to become strong. That is common in cloud also. I am not repeating again backups, restores, and recovery models, indexes in cloud. So everything will discuss the concept. So concept is a concept anywhere. What you will see the difference only will talk in cloud. What we will see the difference. Okay, you know about backups, but how the backups are working in cloud, that will talk. So that is how we are saving our time. Otherwise, even 6 months is also not sufficient to train everything as part of SQL. Will you spend 6 months? Everyone know. We can't say even 6 months is also sufficient. Even if we are spending for 3 months also, first initially the people are more interested in joining. Later on the count is reducing. So we don't want reduce the content, okay, the which we are delivering. Okay, don't see that when you go to the playlist, hey Subbu, last batches you done 130 sessions, 140 sessions. Okay, how about you are saying that 3 months, how you can done 130 34 sessions for last batches? Sir, again, I told you, right, I promising you starting itself, your batch got completed and I learned something and I wanted to take the session. I will call everyone. I will add those sessions also in this playlist. So mostly we will spend 100 plus sessions, okay, and rest 100, 110, 120 plus sessions only. Sometimes I will call you in the evening. Okay. Sometimes I will call you in the evening whenever you are having everyone. My focus will be all the employees who are working, the employees who are starting the journey learning. You should be attend, sir. That is a fixed thumb rule. But the people who are working, I need to take their flexibility time as well. Okay. Because sometimes very rare case I will take at evening also. Very rare case. I'm not saying that definitely I will take in the evening. No, very rare case, because my plan is in this week we wanted to complete this content. If that content is prolonged because you ask more questions, you are having more doubts, it will take time to discuss all the doubts, right? So that time I will call you at evening. Hey, can you join for 1 hour? Okay, we have some pending concept which I need to cover. That is how our training will go, sir. Is it understandable, everyone?
Yes.
No. Okay. So don't think that okay. How we will cover? Definitely we will cover, sir. Whatever we are promising you means What is market is expecting from you, that much we are covering, sir. That can be on-prem, that can be cloud. We will cover everything. We will cover than you expected. Whatever you are expecting, better than that only we will cover. That I can promise you, sir. Yeah. Any questions on the course content? Yes. Sorry. And each and every high availability, we will talk the configuration, algorithms, failover, feedbacks, troubleshooting, and we will provide the running notes. Each and every troubleshooting, we will provide the running notes, sir. We will prepare, we will take the inputs from you only first. So for example, 10 people are working as a SQL DBAs. So you know about log shipping. Okay, we will take, for example, I'm expecting 20 scenarios why the jobs are getting failed. You know 10. Okay, first we will take input from you only. That 10 we will take inputs and we will add 10 more inputs. So totally 20 scenarios we will get. Okay, how, why my log shipping is getting failed, how to handle and our log shipping is getting failed, what type of scenarios we will get it in real world. So each and every high availability, we will provide the running notes. Each and every high availability, there is a configuration, failovers, failbacks, and troubleshooting. So we'll spend more time on clusters. We'll spend more time on always on availability group. Both links you will get it, sir. Sai will share all the links. And not only this one, we are also going to cover performance tuning a lot. Okay. After Azure SQL database, we will cover the performance tuning. We will talk more on Azure SQL database as well, about service models, about backups, restores, high availabilities, elastic pools, elastic agents, elastic queries, and Azure Data Sync. So we'll talk more on Azure SQL database as well, and more on security. We'll spend more time on security with Azure SQL database because that will plays a major role. What is the private endpoints, public endpoints, Azure Key Vault, TDE, dynamic masking, sentinels, firewalls. We'll discuss more on the security part as well as elastic pool, as elastic queries, elastic agents, and high availability and migration. So we'll talk migration on-prem to on-prem migration, and cloud. We will talk about import, export, backpack, DACpack, orphan user fixing, MDB database migration, DMA, DMS, and finally we'll also use the Azure Data Studio. I not included, I think maybe I opened different content. So Azure Data Studio with offline migration, online migration, with integrated with the DMS, and cloud monitoring also, because not only this one, sir, this is also plays a major role. How you will monitor cloud performance, okay, in terms of Azure automated accounts, query stores, parameter sniffing. Here also we'll talk about performance tuning. And finally, we'll go for actual performance tuning in terms of CPU, memory, IO, connections, everything, sir. Like for your better understanding, okay, this is the running notes for 44th batch. So every concept, okay, see, we will provide like this, okay, data file full, log file full, okay, patches, tempdb, CPU, memory, IO, 18456 error, okay, query to corruptions, query tuning, okay. We will provide this running notes. So like same every batch we will provide the running notes of the troubleshooting. We will take 10 inputs from you. We will add 10 more inputs. Finally, we are having 20 inputs. That is how, and we will share that material to user. That is a running notes. But only one request: don't share to anyone. Okay, we trust you a lot. Okay, we don't want to make. It won't impact us. It will impact you only because you are making the competition. If you share to any one of your friends, okay, he's the competitor for you. So that's the only one request we are asking. I hope you got clarify what we are going to share the performance tuning, sir. Everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. Anything? Any questions?
Yeah, you said how long is the course? How long is this training from the
Um,
beginning? You said
we are making 70 to 75 days, sir. Let's see. Okay, I can't promise the time. Okay,
I have a question.
it depends on how interactive the session will go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Question.
Yes, sir.
After the class, do we have to take any certification?
As of now, no. But
Okay.
we will plan that one as well, sir. We are implementing that one as well. Let's see. I will talk to Sai on this, sir.
So do you need certification to look for a job after the class?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. We'll, sir. We'll provide. Yeah, we'll
Yeah,
make it.
the certification, actually the certification, whatever they are asking, institute level will not help in their project and their companies. So you need to do the Microsoft certifications. So
Okay.
we can focus on that one, Microsoft
Okay.
certification part.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can do the DP300. Once the course is completed, you will be comfortable to attempt the DP300. You can practice couple of terms. You can get it from the market, and then you can adapt the TP300. So that will be helps to you more. It will be more focused whoever in the outside of India. So they are mainly focusing on the certification as well. Yes, sure, you can go with the TP3,
Yeah.
DP300. Yes, Sharath.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just two questions I have. Um, with respect to migration, is we are means covering migration of SSIS DB or
Yes.
SSRS reporting server
Yes.
migration, because mostly they need some database master key or something that means as per my knowledge, uh, or some backup key. Something is that because of that somehow it is means I face issue. It is not working on a new server like that.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, we
yeah,
are.
okay, okay. And
Yeah.
last question from my side, means as I discuss on group also. So actually, I have my office morning time. So as you said, the recording we will provide, but I'm just means not sure how I will sync with daily current batches. If something I topics is not clear or something is not clear, then how I can contact you with you.
You can.
Even if Monday to Friday I'm using with recording, and Saturday I will join face session with you. So in that case, how I will sync up with
See,
the current batch?
nothing. Worry here. Okay, we are to help you. For example, you went for the session. Okay, you are having one doubt. Don't hesitate to reach out in WhatsApp. Okay, we are here to help you. You can call us. Okay, you can call us, and if it is a little heavy part and you are not understanding, definitely on Saturday you can clarify your doubts. And for example, you are configuring something, you got error, we are here to help you. We will share your screen, we will grant you the presentation. You need to connect via laptop, and we will grant you the presentation. You need to share your screen, and we will fix in the runtime only. Okay. That is how we'll do, because I don't want to go individually and troubleshoot something, because maybe today you got that issue, tomorrow someone may face the issue, right? We will go in the live session only. So everyone, we will grant the permission. You need to share your screen, and you need to show us what error you are facing, and we are here to troubleshoot in the live only. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Nothing. Nothing. Don't hesitate for technical stuff. We are here to help you on the technical. Okay. Uh, that's
Yeah, Either it is silly or complex, you can use this whatever the WhatsApp group created for you. It's not only for sharing the meetings and whatever this questions you have, you can post over there. And most of the time, that 90% of the cases, whatever the concept that we are discussing, it is very well arranged in a format like so what you can expect of the next question, especially those are experienced people. While we are discussing the base concept, you might our mind running on the next level. Okay, what will happen if something fails? If what will happen if something issue? So before ending that concept, you will get 90% of the scenarios, everything clarified in the session itself. Still, if any questions, definitely you can make note of it and you can come up with your questions. And if you stuck somewhere also, don't hesitate to reach us. In terms of the technical stuff, okay, even if we are busy also, definitely we will give you some time. Okay, definitely we will address the issues.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you, Sophie.
And I missed one point. So not only that one, we are going to share the Google Forms as well. Okay. Like for example, lock shipping or mirroring or replication or clustering or always on, we will add those forms as well. I'm not sure where we kept that links. Okay. So you need to fill these forms. Okay. Once your lock shipping troubleshooting is done, okay, then we will share this form. You need to go to this form. Still you are lacking in the lock shipping, still any help we needed. Okay, so based on your response, Sai will reach out or myself will reach out to you, and we will also ask the scenarios, how you understand the lock shipping. You need to fill these scenarios. Okay, but only one thing, we are trusting you. You don't go and ask the ChatGPT. You need to search Google. Okay, don't ask ChatGPT or Copilot. Search in the Google. See how you are searching the engine. Google engine is also very important. Okay, I know ChatGPT can easily provide the solutions, but for example, in your organization there is no ChatGPT. They are not allowing any ChatGPT. Then how you are searching the engine is Google engine is also very important. So that is what we are expecting. We will take all your responses. Okay, your responses, active responses. And I'm we will monitor these responses. We will correct these responses in the somehow in the sessions itself. Okay, see again, don't think we are you joined one training and we need to complete the training. Okay, no, we are learning. Okay, if you give more time to me, I will deliver more. Myself and Sai, we will deliver more, sir. That's the only one request. I told you, right? Initially, you need to give me one promise. Two things we are asking. One is time. One is interactive. That can be good or bad. Interactive is very important. Okay, because it's a small or medium or something. You don't hesitate. Okay. See, for example, the people who are starting the journey. You are silent because you not understand. You are silent, or you went for recording. You not understand. You are silent. Tomorrow definitely you will get placed and you will enter into the premises. Okay, IT premises. In the premises, you are having your team lead, SMEs, project managers, delivery managers, your team members in terms of colleagues. In front of that much technical people, you need to raise your voice. Now, how you will raise your voice, sir? Okay, so here take that chance. Okay, treat this as a corporate training program. Okay, not a traditional training program. Treat this as a corporate training program. You won't feel once you got the placed. Okay, and again I'm promising one more thing. We will get more on practical this time. Okay, we'll spend more on practical so that it will reduce our time. Okay, so how we can complete, you are asking, right? These many days means we'll split on more on practical. If you are going for practical, obviously you will clarify your doubts in a short time rather than discussing more theoretical. Okay, to make you convince. So we'll talk more on the practical sessions in terms of performance tuning. That is your help, sir, because I will present you one script in the screen. You need to troubleshoot. Okay, I will be there. You need to tell which index I need to create, why this query performance is impacting, what are the things you need to look. So I will take more inputs from you only. And finally, we will prepare the running notes. This is very, very important, sir. High level running notes and sequential algorithm running notes. Okay, what we will do in real world, everything I will write here. And we will also take your inputs, my inputs, and we'll write everything there. Yep. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
And what do you say regarding interview prep program?
Interview prep program, it's just you can walk through. It's a separate program, though. You can go through it. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Everyone, see, you are good. So you are learning. Okay. You know SQL, but some people will get afraid when they went to the interview. Okay. Even you know you are not delivering the right answers. You know the answers. Okay. But you are not delivering what you are not delivering. So for them, and you are looking for any other dependencies, okay, we don't want to use the terminologies like, okay, you will go to the someone who can help you in terms of interviews, all that stuff. For you people, for those kind of peoples, okay, we are bringing up a new tech program. This is separate, sir. New tech program, video conference tech program. Only limited slots will be there. Okay, we are not taking 20 people, 30 people, 40 people, 50 people. It's a limited slots, 10 to 12 or 12 to 15 slots per batch will plan. Okay, and you need to come into the video, and we are asking the different varieties of questions. Okay, for example, I asked today one question, you unaware of that question. Tomorrow you need to go and search in the Google and find the question, find the answer. Okay, again tomorrow you need to deliver that one. Again, I will ask. See, keep on. This is an interview tech program, so I need to focus on each and every people of the 12 to 15 slots, whatever we are allocating. That is a tech program we are planning, sir. Many people are waiting from the AzureSQLChamp community, but the timing slots are not adjusting. So we are planning for that one. Okay, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks we'll start with the old batches, old AzureSQLChamp communities. I will share the feedback about how it went success. Okay, and definitely it will help in the upcoming batches as well. We are not forcing you to take this tech program. Okay, nowhere we will force anyone to join this one, join this training program, join the tech program. In case you are having facing this issue with the cracking the interviews, you are working with the less packages. Okay, even you are having experience. Okay, for example, some people, one of our student only, he's having almost 9 to 10 years of experience, but his package is only 10 LPA. It's very minimal, sir. Even 5 years experience also they are earning more than 10 LPA. So because lacking of the technical fairness. Okay, so to avoid all the stuff, we are trying to come up with the interview prep program. This will help you a lot. Okay, and if you are once, definitely that's a one thing, sir. And not only this one, for example, your experience is growing massive, and many when you go to the industry, they're asking, do you know other RDBMS technologies? Do you know NoSQL, all that stuff? We are also we are already started the Postgres. One batch successfully we got completed, and the second batch we are We are running the second batch. 1 week ago, we started the second batch. You are happy to be part of the Postgres also, in case if you wanted to learn the Postgres as well. And some people are also asking the NoSQL. Do you have any experience on the NoSQL? So for them, we are trying to bring the NoSQL. So from July mid or July ending, we will start the NoSQL from AzureSQLChamp. Okay, so you will be part of MongoDB as well. So we are not forcing anyone, but we are delivering what you will get from the AzureSQLChamp, and we will keep on add here not only these 3 tech programs. We are tie-upping up with the US, and we are trying to bring the data analytics and Azure data engineer stuff as well, because Subbu Sai is got blocked. Okay, we got blocked with the content what we wanted to deliver. We can't deliver. We thought we want to deliver something, but nowadays it is blocking us a lot. We are not getting time to deliver something what we are expecting on our minds. Okay, we are typing with the US. Okay, one of my friends. Okay, who is having almost 20 to 25 years experience. Okay, we are trying to bring. So you may also find that programs as well. No focus, no force, nothing, but just we wanted to deal. We are passing the information. Okay, what you will get from AzureSQLChamp in the next 2 years. Got it, everyone? So one interesting is tech program, interview prep program. We'll start the first batch. Let's see how it will go. I will collect all the feedbacks, okay, from everyone. Definitely, I will share it with you as well.
Hi, sir. I have
Yes,
a question.
Yeah.
Okay, as a part of this program, you are covering MongoDB and PostgreSQL later, or it's a separate program we have to take?
Separate. Everything
it's
is a
separate.
separate.
We are giving the
SQL,
information, whatever the products that we are having in the Azure SQLChamp. So SQL is completely what we discussed, the content and work through the course content. So that we are delivering in the entire 75 days.
Oh, okay. That is a separate course, no? PostgreSQL and MongoDB, correct?
So those are the separate technologies.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Yeah, just we are passing the information. We are also providing.
the experienced people
this
also. Experienced people, they wanted to learn some other technologies, right? Now industry is looking. When you go to the market, the industry is looking. So for them, we are here telling that we are delivering this stuff as well.
Okay.
Yes, open to everyone. You can
Everyone,
clarify
that's
all
it.
of your questions.
I
It's
think
been
we
almost
cleared.
1 hour discussion.
Any questions before we stop the recording? Every session is recorded and it will be uploaded in the playlist, sir. We will create a new playlist called Batch 45, and we will take all your email address and we'll grant the permission to the sessions. No worries in case you went off absence and you're not available. What about the session? Every session is a pre-recorded. Anything? Questions still? Again, open, sir. Again, raise your voice, everyone.
If someone new to the cloud, sorry, it's asking. If someone new to the cloud or anything, so in that case,
Everything will go from the scratch only, Manju. Okay, everything will go from scratch. No worries, we are not going directly that one, this one. Okay, everything will go for scratch.
Okay.
And what we are delivering is everything from scratch only. base to advanced level. Everything base to advanced level.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Yeah. So what I wanted to convey is this time we will go more on practical, sir. Okay, more on practical because we are redesigning the courses. Not only SQL, we are designing the Postgres, MongoDB like that only. So that it will save our time. We can spend on other technologies as well. So we wanted to bring the ADF, Synapses, Python, Custo, SQL, that stuff as well as part of this. So once we segregating all the stuff, okay, we will strictly go for this many sessions where you will get complete content without any missing. Then now the people who are, your experience is growing, sir, and this industry is looking for more stuff. Okay, and you are finding difficulty to get that stuff. AzureSQLChamp will deliver all the stuff. So again, base to advance, everything will go for base to advance. And more on practical, sir. Think it is a real world training only. Don't think it is a special training, okay? Whatever you are doing, same thing you will do in real world.
Yep. Any other questions?
If no question, just stay back. We'll stop the recording, okay? Let's stop the recording if no questions.